some actual demolition of a building they're taking down over here. They're trying to create more empty space. And believe it or not, on this spot there was a Motel 6. Oh, no, I'm sorry, a Super 8 motel that was once here on Governors Island to house the families of visiting families of people that are stationed down here. So that's pretty nuts that there's a Super 8 out here. I really didn't expect to see them like actually demolishing a building while I was out here. Here's from another angle. It's pretty nuts. I wonder how long it took them to do that. Wow, it's crazy. And this guy's like hosing it because all the insulation is all dried up and like crumbly. It's really fucking crazy. Wow, weird. Holy shit, that's a big chunk he's taking out. Awesome. Crazy. That's fucking nuts. Crunch. Oh my god, that's so nuts. Yeah, he's like, oh, this piece is a little too big. Crunch. Yeah, that was so crazy when you like took a big bite out of the roof. Yeah, we see the, all that pink shit, I think it's all insulation. I guess he's trying to keep it wet so it's not like all blown around. I don't know. Yeah, it is. It's a nice looking building. I wonder if that's probably pretty fun though, like ripping down the building. I don't know. But yeah, it's actually like messing up the building. Can't say I've ever really seen demolition that close up before. I want to see him take that side wall out. There he goes. Oh, did it just fall off? Wow, that's crazy. Oh man. Oh shit, that part of the wall's gonna collapse. Oh man, you see that big chunk of the wall just fell out? This is sick. He's like, fuck it, crunch. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god. What was that? Oh. Oh man. Oh my god. What? He just, yeah, he's like totally toning this building. The building's been completely destroyed. It's maybe like 45 minutes to an hour after what I was taping before. The thing's completely done. This is from a different angle. Pretty nuts.